Okay guys, in today's video, I'm gonna do a review on a double barrel shotgun and the Famas. So, come on. Let me try it again. Okay, but I got the double barrel shotgun and the Famas. I think those are two really great starter guns. Guns, Pew. Come on, thank you. Okay. But if you like old guns or like sound effects, you should play you should get this gun if you play what's it called? Blood something. Here, let me check. I don't know. Come on! Oh. Let me check. It's called Bloodlight. Yeah, Bloodlight. But we're going to show you how powerful it is. Four bullets in a case. Four freaking things in a case. No, three. Three things in a case. Well, if you like guns, you should totally get this. If you like shotguns. I really like this gun. It's a very great starter gun, but it's a pain in the butt to do because you have to kill all these Chinese players. Okay, and the Famas is pretty powerful, but I'm going to show you how powerful it is on players. If they're online. Okay, nobody's online. Well, I guess that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed, and bye for now. Just believe me, it's very powerful. Both of them. Great.